Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. February 20 something, I don't even remember. It's Thursday. A lot of green in the market today across the board. Volume okay, 850 million. Dow Jones Industrial Average rebounding from yesterday's complete crazy Fed catalyzed minutes, initiative, sell-off, reversal, madness yesterday. Market came out with 2 o'clock minutes coming out of the Fed. They rallied on the fact that they were not, that the inflationary fears were not so much, that they would be a little less restrictive on the raising of interest rates. Market rallied, and then when the bond market did not react accordingly, it almost felt like a robotic reaction to a headline, because once everybody digested the information and the bond market did not react to it as it had the catalyzing day of Friday before that, which caused the sell-off, it sold off and reversed in a huge way, and this market got decimated coming into yesterday's close. Today, on the other hand, what a difference did they make? And I tell you that. Don't be reacting to the headlines. Don't get emotional about money. Do not think that one day purports what direction a market is going to go. As we came back in them this morning, we were roaring. Early, mid 2 o'clock in the morning, I was watching the Bloomberg, and the market was down 250 points on a follow-through from yesterday's close here. By the time we came in this morning, this market was up. The spiders were up 15 handles. We opened up 200 points and stayed there for a good part of the day. Midday rally up into the 200, 250 point. And then basically, it turns out that one of the old Fed guys, Bullard, who's not a voting guy, who's actually not even on the board any longer, came out and said he thinks that a 100 basis point move in 2018 seems a little exaggerated. Probably won't be that much. That is what rallied the market. It seems like it. What else? I mean, this market can do what it does. It can happen without my permission. It can go where it wants to go and all that. Usually we have an edge. Usually we try and figure out where it's coming from. Whether it's a headline, whether it's real news, money's rotating in and out of stuff. That is happening. The rally into the day seems like that's what it's about. So now the markets, the traders, the funds, the institutions seem to be focused on the interest rate and the reaction it's taking on the market. Inflationary fears, interest rate raises, how fast are they happening? 3 next year, 4 next year, 100 basis points, half a basis point, who knows? But that seems to be what they're focusing on and they're reacting to. We've always got a catalyst. We've got a catalyst that makes markets rally, that makes markets sell off. Sometimes they're independent catalysts, sometimes it's a headline, sometimes it's a perfect storm as we saw the week before. For today, the afternoon rally was about that, it seems. Money coming in, money going out, strong aggressive buying in a lot of different ways. Rebound in Walmart for sure. And then in the afternoon, I really think it was a matter of the sell-off due to this sell-side imbalances on the close. There are people out there who really think it's time to take some profits. They're waiting till the buyers are done. They're coming into the marketplace. We've seen sell-offs every afternoon for a while now. Even though, depending on how strong the buy-in is in the morning, sometimes the market reverses and goes down. Sometimes the market stays up. We were up 250. We closed up 164 points. Volume 850 million. Up volume is not really. Not that much divergence. You know, there's a lot of divergences across the board here. We had oil up $1. That's significant. Gold up $2. That's significant. Russell selling off. Spiders back up. Transports up 50. So there's a lot of, when you see things that usually trade in coincidence with each other going the wrong way, that means money's going in and out. They're shifting. They're in energies. Things are not trading as inversely as they're supposed to. They're not trading in concert as they used to. That means money's coming in and out. People are taking profits. There's a buyer for every seller, a seller for every buyer, a wrench for every screw, and a nut for every wrench. I love you all. Einstein out for the day. I'll see you tomorrow.